on the Benzoylation channel, the Bicycle Show. This time we'll be looking at bicycle repair for complete and utter dummy lazy students with no job. Part 1. What you need.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my bicycle workshop. Now, this will teach you how to put together a basic bicycle from the very beginning. No experience or tools needed. Right. First, you'll need some tools. Okay. This is a bicycle pump. It's quite a good one, but it's well worth the investment. So what you need, right, is to attach this to the wheel, and you'll need this if you have one of those little gold things, which I'll show you in a minute. Secondly, you will need oil. I don't have oil. Seems to be a shortage of that. Ditto, WD-40 removes rust. Third, you will need a puncture repair kit if you have a puncture. Now, this can be easily avoided by getting these. These are Kevlar tyres. They do not puncture. Right. Those cost me a tenner. They're called Blizzards. Now, what do I have, you may ask? Well, I don't have a puncture repair kit, so I can't take the tyres off. But I can take the wheels off. Now watch carefully. Now what you have to do is find your tool, right? Okay. This is a bicycle tool. Your bicycle shop will give you one of these for free. Now, the first step is to get your bicycle upside down, okay? You can't work on it unless it's upside down, because if you take the wheel off, it will fall on you. This is the forks, and this is the wheel. Now the trick is to somehow get the wheel on the forks. But it doesn't go on because of the brakes. Now, in order to get the brakes off, you just pull this up here. See? Goes back on. By hooking into this thing, round and on again. And then you let down your tyres, put it on, pump them back up again. Now, you'll often find really old bikes lying around in the shed. For example, this is an old bicycle wheel. Now, you can quite quickly see what's wrong with it. Just check that all these have to be tight. This one's not tight. Seems to be broken. Okay, well, don't throw it away yet. I've got another problem with another wheel. Okay, now, see if you can spot what's wrong with this one. This is the wheel, which I also found in my shed, that my housemate just dumped. Right. So this here is the valve, just like on your car. You can let it down, you can blow it up. Here I can let it down by just pressing on it with this tool. This is the car type. There's also a special bike type, which you need the adapter for. Now, can you tell me what is wrong with this inner tube? Seems to be the wrong size, doesn't it? because it doesn't stick out very far. See, there's two sizes of inner tubes, right? This is the large size, but it's a small inner tube inside this one, so it's too small. Okay. So thanks for watching. Subscribe